I'm back. So let's get right into it. I did this spatula / spoon, took this water like that, and then dug right through it, and it made this hole. And that's pretty cool. Okay, then we take this, we put it inside, just like that. And the pot simmers. So then you mix this around. And if you want to do this, you're going to have a lot of time. Like if you don't have enough time, like about 30 minutes, then I'm sure you not to do it because it takes pretty long time. You just simmer it. And I put it on high, so I think I can put a little bit low. To 2 maybe, or 2. And then now I can now it's should I smush it? I'm gonna smush it. It will go faster. Ooh, it looks so weird, Mom. Look in it. It looks so cool. Like I'm squishing it. It's so sticky. Feels weird. You guys should try this at home. And if you want to watch me make more types of challenges and videos like this, because it's my first time I've ever done this and made all these challenges, because I usually just do regular food. If you want me to do more of these kinds, then I could do it. And if you want me to, just like this video, subscribe to my video, and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. So I think you just keep it around, okay? Just keep stirring it. Okay, then we'll be right back when it starts actually, that. So thanks, bye.